Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing Hyperdrive Mini Hub. Let's get started. This cost me around 9K, as you can see in the video. Let's quickly open it. Inside the box you will be getting the device directly, no user manual as such, which is a clean thing. At the top you will be getting Hyperdrive badging. It consists of HDMI, 3 USB port, Ethernet port, 3.5mm audio jack, USB-C and micro SD card reader. Thanks for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.